Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this wild salmon jerky from Raincoast Trading. Look at this. 26 grams of protein, and flip it around. This is the back, if you guys want to read that, pause the video. As you can see, minced wild chum, pink salmon, organic sugars, salt, yeast extract, natural wood smoke. But the interesting thing is, you can see there's no nitrates. It's actually kind of cool. So we're gonna do a quick taste test. So let's open this up, and as you can see, gluten free. So I picked these up because they were on sale, but this is what they look like. Check that out. It's actually pretty good. Got a nice smoky taste to it, and then there's a little bit of the almost like a spices to it, a little bit of heat, and you know, of course, slightly salty, of course. So, but yeah, definitely check it out, guys. It doesn't go down fishy at all. It's actually not bad. If you have any questions, comments, guys, subscribe to the channel.